Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Nuggets News. Today we're on site at Finder with our mate Fred. How you going, Fred?
Alex, good to see you, man.
Thanks for having us here. I love the studio.
It's all right.
And we're going to ask questions about crypto and the services you're now offering to clients with the HiveEx OTC markets. So how'd you get into crypto?
You know, we started writing about it on Finder back in July, August last year, about Bitcoin, about how to buy it, all those kind of things.
Yeah.
And that content started to really take off. And then I sort of jumped in, invested in November-ish, rode that up and all the way back down.
Yeah.
And
Like
it's been fun.
Like a lot of people, mate. So I guess what have you learned since then, and what are you doing business-wise as well?
Yeah, I think I've learned obviously a lot about the volatility of cryptocurrency, and that's incredible. I think also about the blockchain and what people are trying to use this for. I think that's incredible. And I've learned, actually, I've gone way down the rabbit hole in terms of what everything means and what everyone's trying to do. And I guess we're building, I guess we've got HiveEx, which is really the OTC desk. And then we've got these business-to-business services. We're offering bank accounts, helping people to open bank accounts for cryptocurrency companies, which is a really, really, really big issue.
I was going to say, what's the feedback you've got from your audience and businesses that are operating with crypto and having issues with the banks?
They're like so happy that someone's solving this problem.
Yeah.
Right. And it's a major, major, major issue. You know, people just get their bank accounts closed down. There are lots of companies out there that don't understand what this cryptocurrency thing is. And I guess what we're trying to do is just be that, leveraging the Finder brand and what we've done there.
Yep.
And then we've taken that into HiveEx, and we're just slowly stepping a lot of these institutions through. So like with the bank account, we had to write this massive KYC AML document.
Yes.
And essentially, with that, we basically then got them to understand what exactly we were doing and where the money's coming, where it's going, and put that all together and say, look, this is real business. It's just this is and these are the checks we put in place, and this is how it works.
Yeah, and that's all changed a fair bit over the past few months with OzTrack and stuff. You guys are up to date and kept on top of all that.
100%, yeah. And as we've written our AML KYC policy to be bank standard.
Sweet.
So it's pretty intense.
I like it. So what's the services that you could maybe offer our audiences in terms of HiveEx?
Yeah, I guess in terms of our private clients, we've got a couple. Is the OTC desk, so we make prices. We're pretty tight on prices as well, so you can probably get within, if not better, to an exchange for large volumes. So you're talking 50 grand plus. We can do smaller orders. They're a little bit tougher depending on the volatility.
Yeah.
But that's really good. Our private clients love that. They can buy and sell within a WhatsApp message.
Yeah.
Which is awesome. The other one we're offering right now is insurance. So you can insure your price. So you can say, Bitcoin yesterday was 6,700. You can say, I want to lock in that price, Fred, and we can give you a premium for that. You just pay a small premium each month or whenever you want to get it insured to.
Yeah. And
then you lock in that price. And if the price dips down at the end of that time period, you can just get that money back from us.
Yeah, so I want to give our audience maybe a good example. So if you're on holidays and Bitcoin's 20,000 in December and you go, well, I'm pretty happy with that, I want to lock in that price. So once you're registered with a WhatsApp or email, like you said, you can pay a small fee to lock that price. And if Bitcoin goes crashing down, you get to still sell your Bitcoin at $20,000. And that sounds like magic to some people maybe, but it's all with hedging and margin, so you can short and create those contracts, guys, and that's how hedging works in the stock market world, and it's good to see it come into the crypto world.
Yeah. I just think protection and locking in these prices is crucial. And what we're trying to do is disseminate, I guess, a lot of these big wholesale products which are designed for institutions and bring them to for everyone else to use. That's really our goal.
Yeah, fantastic. And I believe you guys are going to offer the Nuggets audience a bit of a discount as well, or give them the best price. So
100%.
make sure you mention your Nuggets News followers, guys. Yeah.
For sure. We're very tight on prices. We're trying to serve the community and get more people involved. And I guess we just offer that extra service. So we're there. People text us all hours of the day. Skype text, it just comes in. As best we can, we're here to serve.
Well, fantastic. We'll continue to talk about that. Maybe in the next bull run, it will definitely come into people's mind about locking prices. But any other messages for the crypto community at all, mate, from people you've met or what you're seeing at the moment?
You know, I think we're in this zone where it reminds me of when you know, all these new internet services came out and all these new internet providers and websites are being built, and it just takes time for them to really grow, right?
Yeah.
You know, you go back to 1997 with Apple. I think we had the video yesterday with Steve Jobs, and people are asking, you know, what's going on in the company, and it just took a lot of time for Apple to get there, right? And that's what we're trying to do right now. There are these and then we're doing this as well. We're developing and building stuff, and it just takes a lot of time. Unfortunately, it's not instantaneous like a cryptocurrency price.
And people can see that they're in the space and they can see the tech evolving and the future roadmap, but people that aren't interested, that are the, why would I use that, or there's nothing there, I'm not interested, I guess they're the people that we're hoping to convince in the future.
Yeah, and I think there are simple things, you know, as with this insurance product, I think that might reduce, what I'm trying to do is take all the risks and all the problems and build solutions to them. So like banking, let's get some banking accounts sorted.
Yeah.
Everyone goes, oh, the volatility is so bad. I'm like, okay, well, let's protect your price.
Yes.
You know, I'm trying to basically work through and solve those problems. So if everyone has, you know, any of those other problems out there, we're trying to solve those as well, but we'd love to partner with other people and help you guys in your projects as well. And we talk about that and write about that on the site as well. And Alex, you do an incredible job of doing that as well. And so we're just trying to, you know, build that adoption and solve problems, you know, as best we possibly can.
Well, guys, we'll put all the links in the description below if you want to get in touch with Frederick's team, and we'll continue to talk about that service in the future, because I'm sure hedging is going to be a pretty attractive option for plenty of you guys out there. So thanks for having us today, mate.
No worries. Thank you for joining.
Cheers.